Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean and restore your copper. So you're probably thinking that you need vinegar or lemon juice and baking soda, but it's super easy and pretty much anyone can do it. So let's get started. Now as you can see, we have some copper cups here. So they're pretty dirty. They've been sitting around for a while now. And to be cleaning them, we're going to be using a dishwasher and this brand of soap. Now we're not sponsored by them and we're not advertising them. It just so happens that my mom found out that this brand cleans copper really well. So let's get to it. Now as you can see, we've loaded up the dishwasher. Now we want to close this and add the soap. And then run the cycle. Now we'll let the dishwasher and the soap do its magic and we'll come back after the cycle is over. Alright, so the cycle has been completed. Now let's take a look at these cups. Now, they're definitely way shinier than what we had before, and it's definitely a huge improvement.